Is there a free way to gather all your data on sales, inventory, and customers to track your performance all in one place? Listen, not all customers are okay with the slow service, especially when they are in a rush. One of the solutions to prevent this to happen is shifting to a POS system. But what is a POS system? Basically, it's a cash register that enables you to make sales, accept payments, and check out customers. Good thing Loyverse POS system allows you to automate your business just by using your phone, iPad, or PC. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use Loyverse POS system and boost your sales so that you can provide better customer experience, orders, satisfaction, and loyalty. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in and register your account to Loyverse free point of sale and inventory management software, whether you're owning an e-commerce business, you're managing transactions from your customers, you're opening a cafe, or your very own convenience store. From across the globe, you can pay this for $0 and start today. So right now we're here at Loyverse, and you can see there's a lot of information that they are giving to you. The first thing that you need to do is to actually get started. Click that, and it's going to proceed you to the login info. Now in this section, you have to enter your email. So mine, it already existed, so you're just going to go to sign in button. So pretty much we're here at our laptop, we're using it to actually explore what is Loyverse all about. So let me give you a quick introduction about all the parts and how can you use it in your business to start tracking your sales and even boost your sales in transactions. So this is the analytics, where we are going to review the performance of our business by itself for free that a cash register wouldn't even do. So this is the sales summary. We got a net sales of 930 pesos and a gross profit of 320 pesos. Now the sales by item is actually going to track your menu, sales category. You just have to explore with different performance, like sales from by employee. If you have an employee in your business, they can actually use this, but if you're just only one owner, then so be it. Now this is, what do you call this, sales of payment, where the transaction is coming from. Now majority of my transaction comes from cash, then card. So maybe check is also reliable in this matter. And we also have receipts that we sent to our customers, which we will be discussing how can we give them that receipt, and the refund is totally zero. Now we're going to proceed to the sales by modifier, where that doesn't have data yet. Now the discount is up to you. If you're going to offer your customers some discounts, that would be great. So basically, analytics is all about analyzing your performance, analyzing about your taxes, your receipts, your sales. Everything comes into this section. Now this is very important. We're going to proceed to the item, and we can see the item list, categories, modifiers, and discounts, which we will go through one by one. So the first one is the item list. When we click the item list, we could add items, whatever we want, whether it would be a dessert, whether it be fries, water. So a quick example is I'm going to give you. But if you already have some samples, you can actually import and export this data into your laptop or iPad or any digital devices that is available at your home. First one is add item. Let's say I'm selling a steak, and we're going to mark it in category, but we don't even create category from this section so far, but I'm going to teach you that. Now the description is going to be very optional. It's up to you. Now, the sold by actually talks about how we're going to sell the product in quantities, whether from each or by weight or volume. Let's say 250 pesos, and the cost of it is going to be 160. And if you have any barcode, universal code, you can put it here, but this is just steak, so it doesn't have a barcode. So basically, composite item is a composite item that contains a specific quantity of other items. Let's say I have 200 steaks in my inventory, so it feels weird. If your steak has variants or a lot of options, like what type of steak, is it BBQ, is it garlic, is it sauteed, or stuff like that, you can put it here to give them a lot of variants or options about the product that you're offering. So we can also color code this. The good thing is we can color code or put some image on what type of product is it. But more likely I would like it to be more colored as pink. We save this and the item is already in our menu. So the categories would be very easy, and let me show you how you do it. So go to categories. You have to create this category name. Like, let's say you're going to offer like beverage, and I color code this as blue. As you can see, we already have some category. Modifiers wouldn't be very important here today, but discounts could be if you want to offer for your business type of discount, 20% discount, 30% discount, or spring sale, or Halloween sale. You could offer your customer that discount to encourage them to boost your sales and gain a long-lasting revenue. Inventory management is actually in a premium stage of the Loyverse, so it's up to you to avail, but it's completely optional, and you can even use this POS without subscribing to their premium account. If you want to add some employee, you can view the employee list or the list of employees that you currently have, or give them some specific different access according to different degrees. So access right, when we click this one, we could actually mark this as the owner, as the full control of the Loyverse, or the administrator. So we can mark them as administrator or owner that have the same responsibilities and access to every Loyverse POS datas and information. And you could also be a manager. So basically the difference between the owner, administrator, manager, and the cashier is the cashier has limited access, so it can only receive, refund, and check out orders from your customers without accessing the back office or the datas that we just discussed earlier. So do you want to add an employee? Do you want to add some cashier? You can add them by email. You can add them by a different confirmation system. So if you're the type of business that have specific customers and you want to prioritize them, then this is a good option for you. But now we're not going to do that. So integration, it's all about the premium stuff. We get it. Features is pretty simple. Shift is all about tracking your cash from going in and out of your cashier. You can track the time of employees working in your restaurant while you're out, while you're having fun. You're taking on the beach, you're taking a vacation. You can even track their schedules, how long did they work, like 6 or 8 hours. It's up to them. You can also print some receipts, I believe, and a whole lot more options. Now the billing and subscription is always optional for you, but I highly agree to add a payment method. So there's a lot of different payment method types, whether it's cash, card, or check. Or you can add another type of payment that your customer might want to use. The loyalty settings, the taxes is very important if you're a type of business owner who's already registered and paying taxes. This is highly recommended, so you could add tax in the Loyverse POS system without even hiring a lawyer. Now the receipt is pretty optional because it's highly customizable. Now, what I like about the receipt is you can upload some image, you can put some header, you can put some footer, whatever you like. So for example, a customer buys another dessert, another water, another fries, or steak, you could send that specific receipt to their email. Sounds convenient and eco-friendly. Now we can add different stores if you're in a multiple branch. If you have another branch in the Philippines, if you have another brand in Asia, if you have another brand in Europe, and another in USA. Basically, you could just add unlimited stores worldwide. Now the POS system, totally optional for you. And there you have it. You all have the basic tutorial on how you can register an account and create your account in Loyverse POS, and how you can use it to start your business and generate your first dollar today. So in my honest feedback and opinion about this Loyverse POS, it's very accessible. It will have some features that you can use as a business owner, you're an entrepreneur or small individual who are starting to grow your business, whether you're in e-commerce, whether you're a cafe, you're in a physical store, whatever you like. You can even hire some employees using the POS system and track their schedules, track your orders, their sales, and even generate a long-term business goal at your own. I believe that this is a pretty good sales POS system which is absolutely for free that you can use without having a necessary to buy a physical one, and even just use your phone, your tablet, and everything that you have available at your phone. This is very available in iOS, in Android, freaking amazing. So that's it, and thank you for watching.